Hello, we're going to solve another arithmetic problem. Here the question says Sam bought one pair of socks at 20% off and one shirt at 40% off. If he paid $30 more for the shirt than the socks and he spent a total of $54, what was the original price of the socks in dollar? So here there are a lot of information, and then there's also a twist in the question. So it says the original price of the socks. Now remember that Sam had bought the sock at 20% off. So once we find what was the price that he had paid for, we will have to use this information of 20% off in order to find the original price. So for the time being, let us assume that the socks that Sam bought at was at a price X. Now since we say that he also bought shirts and he paid $30 more for the shirt than the socks. So for the shirt, we can assume that the value is X plus $30. Now, he had in total spent $54, which means that if we add up to X plus 30, it would sum up to 54. So from here, we can easily calculate X, the amount that he had originally paid for. Now remember, this is the price that Sam had paid for, which is at a 20% off. So in order to find the original price, we have to remember that the original price, and if we take a discount of 20%, only then the resulting price would be $12, which Sam had paid for. So the original price would actually be more than 12. In this case, it's $15. So therefore, the answer would be $15. So while solving this kind of problem, when there is a discount or some kind of loss or profit associated, distinguish between the original price and the price that the customer had to pay for.